first time having Haitian cuisine as it is, and this is amazing.
And come experience the taste of Haiti, okay?
All right, so I'm here with my family. All right, yeah, man. So you know, so we're here to check out this wonderful restaurant at Greektown, Boukan Restaurant. It's a Haitian restaurant. So, all right, guys. So let's see what they have cooking inside.
Sac passé, nous là. Bienvenue à Boukan. So we are here at the Danforth 774 Danforth Avenue. One of the best places you guys should come and try out. Boukan, B-O-U-K-A-N. Check us out on Instagram, boukan.to. And this is the man right there. He came in because he felt that this space, it has to be here. He must feel this space.
Yes.
Must be. And he's gonna try the best food, and I know he's gonna give you, he's with you also as well. So let's wait. Let's tune up.
All right, guys. So right here, with Chef Leon, and she gonna prepare some dish, and she gonna explain, and she gonna show me how she prepared the dish.
It's a griot frite. It is pork,
Yes.
fried pork, with marinade. A marinade is a Haitian, like a Haitian dumpling.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like Tim Hortons, right?
Okay.
So you get that, but it's with flour and a little bit savory.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's very nice. And there is akra. Akra is made out of tayo. Tayo is Haitian, what is it, Caribbean, like a dasheen.
Dasheen, yes.
Yeah. So this is tayo here, and then sweet plantain. You have a choice of sweet plantain or green plantain.
Okay.
We fry that. Fritai is more like a frying process where I think we braise most of the meat. Yes. It goes through a process where we braise it first. Yeah. Then we fry it. Okay. That's where the fritai comes in. Okay. Yeah. So everything is most likely fried. It's just different ways of cooking. Yes. So yeah. So we do the chicken, we do pork, we do beef. We also do shrimps. Yeah. So different stuff. Yeah. So this is the plantain that we use here.
And this is the green plantain?
This is the green plantain as well. Okay. So we use this for our fritai. Yeah. We also use it for plantain bowls. Okay. So we form it into a bowl shape. Okay. Put it. Squeeze it. Okay. Nice. So with this bowl, put one up. With this bowl, we make bowl like appetizer bowls with that. So we either put pork, which is the griot. We put beef as well. We put shrimps. We make it sit so pretty, and we just garnish it with some pickles or guac or guacamole. And this is it. You enjoy this lovely Haitian style appetizer. Get into like 4 protein. You get like beef, you get the chicken, you get the shrimp, and also you get the goat as well. Right now, trust me, Boukan is more like I would say taste is our thing, flavor is our thing here. Right. We are more like fusion restaurant. Yes. So we don't only do Haitian style, we do the Caribbean as well. Okay. So we incorporate the St. Vincent food here. We have Grenadian food. We have Jamaican. We have St. Lucian, Trini food. So we have all the menus here. Nice. So if you come to Boukan, it's a one-stop. One-stop. So you get all different varieties. All the varieties here. Nice. So it's up to you to know which one you want. Well, trust me, you will not know which one you want because it's like everything is so flavorful and you know, like I really want to eat. So this is, I believe, a chicken dinner. Normally the chicken will be fried again, and then we make that delicious in-house sauce. Okay. That we marinate that chicken in that sauce. Okay. And then we'll put it on the plate as the protein. Yeah. And rice and peas, depending of their choice. So either they want sweet or they want green plantain. Okay. And we have pickles that we serve. Pickles is a very spicy cold slaw made out of cabbage, carrots, and onions, and I put my own little flavor in there, which I can't tell you. So this is a beet salad. This beet salad is made out of beets. Beetroot. Beetroots. Wow. And we have carrots in here, and also we have potatoes.
everything. Okay.
And we season it up and we use a little bit of mayo.
Okay.
Yes, to make it look.
Give that texture,
Yeah,
give that look. Yeah.
So this is what we are serving today.
Nice.
We serve with an in-house gravy as well. In St. Lucia, if we serve this food, we'll have more gravy on our chicken, but the Haitians love the gravy on the side.
On the side?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So this is the in-house gravy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So this is our chicken fingers.
Okay.
Coconut chicken. So we're gonna put it in the fryer.
Okay.
With your wings. And then we put your fries in here.
Okay.
With the coconut chicken, we serve it with our lovely tamarind in-house tamarind sauce. It's tamarind and mayo with our secret ingredients.
Yes.
Very, very nice. People go crazy for this.
Okay.
Then we serve it with some fries.
Right.
Yeah, and our chicken as well, we serve it with some fries. And then we have there our jerk chicken sandwich, which we do with a lovely croissant.
Oh.
And the croissant is we put in our lettuce with some of our Haitian Caesar.
Okay.
Our jerk chicken.
Yes.
In that croissant. We serve it with some fries as well, or in-house fries. We do our own fries here.
Okay.
Very nice. It's better than McDonald's.
Yes.
I would suggest that you take that one instead. Yes,
Okay.
This is our serving dishes. We have small. This is the medium, and this is the small one.
Okay. Right here, what you adding?
This is Caesar.
Caesar. Okay.
This is Caesar salad. The jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken?
Yes. It is like small pieces of the jerk chicken. It's very spicy. So we put some Asiago cheese on this. Is it?
Nice.
Asiago cheese. Yeah, that's it, no more. Yeah. Cut it.
The fries?
Cut it.
So you're gonna put the fries in the basket?
We could just put it on.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. So this.
We make our own in-house spicy meal here.
Okay.
We basically do everything in-house
Okay.
and fresh.
Fresh.
Yes.
Nice.
This is what our main focus is: the freshness, the flavors. You know, we
Yes.
do everything in-house.
Okay.
We don't like buy stuff like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you guys
Chef-
do it fresh, straight from in-house.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, guys. Inside the kitchen here is so clean and they so organized. It's very, very clean, guys. Yes. Like, how long you been cooking?
Well, a while back, I'm from St. Lucia. So growing up in a very small community, my mom, she used to be like a cook.
Right.
And cooking for the community, and I used to be her helper, another helper. So from there, I had that love. Okay, I want to cook. You know, I really love the way she moves and she mix all those little different ingredients and make it something. So this just inspired me. So I got my inspiration from my mom. I came to Canada. I went to George Brown. I said, you know what? Let me just. I want to be a chef, so let me just get out there and be that chef.
Yes.
I graduated at George Brown as well. Yeah, and this is me doing my thing.
Nice.
Yep. In-house. We don't buy. Yes.
Nice.
So when you come here, you get everything freshly made.
Fresh and made.
Yes. So we get our plantain like real sweet plantain.
Real sweet plantain.
Caramelized, like when you put it in that fryer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really sweet plantain. We don't give you like the half fry. So you eat something really sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is it. Is it ready? This is the mayo, tamarind mayo. I know you never eat that anywhere.
Tamarind mayo. No. Never had that before. Even the coconut chicken, never tried that before.
These are my people from where?
South Carolina.
South Carolina, all the way.
Carolina?
So I'm saying, come and see. They're having some beautiful Creole chicken here. Some beef salad here, some rice and peas. They enjoy themselves. Hemi right now is having right now the grill fritai, which is like I said to you. So it's sweet plantain, fritter, some akra, some sauce, some pickles, a little bit of green, and he's having some rice and peas. And so I'm saying he's enjoying his meal here, and he's healthy.
You like it?
It's real good.
Yes?
Real good, delicious.
Okay. It's not your first time trying it though?
From here, the first time. But it's some of the best I've had.
My very
for sure.
first time having Haitian cuisine as it is, and this is amazing here.
It's nice, yes.
It's very good.
Right.
It's delicious.
Yes.
It's delicious, real deal.
So you would recommend anyone to come down here and
Most
try?
definitely.
Yeah?
Most definitely.
Yeah, all right.
100%.
Absolutely.
It's delicious.
All right. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Y'all have a good one.
All right. Okay. All right. Look at this, guys.
The coconut chicken fingers, I could just put it in the middle.
Everything's on the middle, yeah.
Perfect.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
No, well, I'm not really drinking the water.
And we have the 5 chipotle mango wings.
Nice.
This, and then we have the Caesar jerk with sweet plantain.
Nice.
And we have that banana beignets right on its way.
Okay, thank you. Wait, wait.
All right, guys. So right now we're gonna try the food and we're gonna tell you how it tastes. As you can see, they're here with my family, and everyone gonna give their little review about the food and stuff. So you know it got already. All right.
This is the coconut chicken fingers.
Yes.
Here, I don't know if I'm gonna cut it.
Look at that. And then right here we have the, what kind of wing is this?
What we get? Chipotle, mango.
Okay. And then here we have the jerk chicken Caesar sandwich. And with sweet plantain, as you can see right here, guys. Daniel, how is the chicken?
Really good.
Like it? Yeah?
It tastes really good.
Okay.
Coconut breading. Totally different. It's really good, really fresh.
Yes, guys. I never tried coconut fried chicken before, and this is my first time, so. Really good.
It's different.
It's different, it's fresh, nice. And the flavor, and then especially from the coconut, wow. Different, guys, and it's the flavor, nice.
I didn't try that sauce. So
So, Denise, how is your chicken wing?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's just sweet like sauce.
You like the flavor? So is it the mango? Which one is this? The mango?
What's the mango?
Chipotle mango.
I don't taste chipotle though. I just taste mango.
Oh, okay. So it tastes the mango sauce in it though? Oh, okay. So Shade, how is yours? Coconut chicken? Yeah.
It's good. It's well fried, for sure. It's
been off those weights. Okay.
and it's well done. It's well done. And it's fresh.
It's fresh.
Yeah. Tastes good.
Yeah. Well, as you guys see, when they were preparing it, as I was saying, this is my first time trying coconut fried chicken, and it tastes real good. Then you have all their sauces that they have is it's an in-house sauce, so they make it from scratch. So you won't go anywhere else and find their sauces. Their sauces, they make it here. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this Chipotle mango chicken wing. First time. Yes, guys, so the chicken wing tastes real nice. You could taste the flavor from it, well seasoned, and you could taste the mango sauce. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know what, Gary? I love my food. Look at this, guys. Look. The wing, in Jamaica, what I say? The wing, the body, tastes real good, tastes real nice, guys.
This is our rum cake cheesecake.
Okay.
So you get both worlds. If you love the cheesecake, you get it in here, and if you love the rum cake, it's also there. So we use the base of our cheesecake. We use the black cake, which is the rum cake.
Okay.
So, bon appetit.
Thank you so much.
I made it.
You made it
Yes.
from scratch.
Yes, everything is from scratch here.
Nice.
And this is Citadel. Citadel is beignet with ice cream, mango puree, and our in-house kwemas. Kwemas is a Haitian.
I'll say Haitian Belize.
Belize.
Yeah, let's put it as that.
It's like a Haitian Belize.
Let's put it as that.
Nice.
But naturally made though.
Naturally made.
That's
Yes.
right.
Okay.
Made in the house.
Thank you.
So as you can see, guys, we're learning and we're having a totally different dish from what we used to, and you know, it's really nice to learn their culture and try the food. As you can see, we tried the coconut fried chicken, and then the jerk chicken with the salad and with the croissant. And right now we're gonna have dessert. So I'm gonna try it out, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes.
The food was great, by the way.
Yes.
The food was
Great.
yes. So how is it? You just scoop it out, those?
You could put it in your side plate,
Your plate
or you could eat it however you want to eat it.
Okay. Alright.
But I love it with the spoons than this, because you eat everything.
Yes. Okay. Alright, so
You take a kwemas, you put kwemas on it.
square
Kwemas
mass?
is in the bottom.
Oh.
So kind of, it has a little bit of alcohol in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, girl.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Nice. Can you put some on mine? Look at that, guys. Alright.
Yeah, I'm waiting to hear the.
Wow.
Thank you. So when we eat kwemas, beignet, we put the whole beignet in them.
The whole beignet?
Of course.
Okay.
so that's how we
See? See that, guys? You put the whole beignet in your mouth. So,
Yes.
see, I'm learning while I'm going too. So, all right.
Big mouth.
Taste that rum. Nice texture. Wow. I need one more. I need one more.
Yes, I
Taste-
put two for everybody.
Yes, tastes real cool. Wow. Guys.
What sauce is that?
Yes. What kind of sauce is that?
It's a Haitian Belize.
Belize.
Just
Wow.
we make.
Just put it as such.
Wow.
It's a Haitian made, naturally made.
Tastes real good.
Yes.
And then as soon as you put it in the mouth, when you taste the ice cream, the rum, no. Guys, look at this. I don't feel like to share it with them, trust me, because
Not too bad.
look at that, guys. All right. Here you go. You want one? Come, put your. Look at that.
Thank you.
Denise, here we go.
Would like one more?
Denise.
I want to same dish. I'm doing it the wrong way.
Oh, see?
So, put it in. Let me show you something. We take this. And let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Then all of this now, right here, is mine. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, guys, look at it. See?
Don't forget the big mouth.
Oh gosh. Tastes real good.
It is good.
Even me, I'm
We kind of want to eat it.
Oh gosh. Wow.
I'm testing it right now.
Chef, food is A1. A1.
Good.
Look guys, as you can see. No joke. Look at that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try the cake with the sauce, as you can see. Cheesecake, rum cake, and the nice texture. Look at it. You know, we know it as fruit cake, rum cake too, and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Nice. Cheesecake, nice. I'm a cheesecake lover. I love cheesecake and nice texture. Nice. Try the rum cake part. So. Tastes real good. Honestly, guys, 10 out of 10 for this one. Nice. The flavor, the texture, everything. Real nice. Chef, well done. Love it.
I'm about to try my rum cake cheesecake.
Right.
It's my first time trying. I'm not a big fan of cheesecake because of my allergies, but this one looks very good. So I'm gonna try. Oh my god, this is perfect. The texture is perfect. It is so good, man. It's so good. Oh my god.
With the sauce, right?
What do you say, Sherika?
This is really good. It's very decadent. If you have it with the sauce, kurma sauce, it's so good.
Nice.
And my favorite is cheesecake, so this is really, really, really good.
You see, Danielle?
Number one, let's look at the texture right here, right quick, guys. Soft, fluffy, not too sweet, not too overpowering. Get it in with the sauce.
Nice.
Can't talk, eat it now.
So you see the vibe we have here. So Ricardo is having dinner with us. You know what I mean? And right here you have, what you have here, Ricardo? Tell
We
them
have some Creole chicken. That's made of like well seasoned chicken, Haitian style, with a little bit of jerk, a little bit of some barbecue sauce, right? And we charcoal it a little bit, and we put it in the oven after that, so all the sauce, everything else get inside to it. After that, you get some green plantain.
Okay.
You get your rice and peas.
Yes.
You get your pickles.
Yes.
Spicy coleslaw. You get your vegan sauce, and you get your beet salads. That's like a meal. So the same thing that you guys are eating when you guys come here to Boukan, whatever that you guys are eating, I eat it too. My staff are eating also as well.
Nice.
So we take great proud on what we are giving you, because whatever that you're eating, that's what we are eating as well.
Nice.
So
The thing that I really like about this owner, he's very down to earth.
Yes.
How many owners are you gonna see in Canada who's gonna sit with you and eat?
Right.
None.
That's true. That's true.
So I'm really happy that we came here today. The scenery is great, the ambience is nice, the people here are nice. It's just overwhelmingly nice.
Yes.
You must try this restaurant. Must.
Yes.
And I will say again, must.
All right. As you can see, as you can hear, guys, from the staff, from the owner to the staff to the chef, I would say A1. Yeah.
Okay, so I was looking online and I saw that Food Network named your restaurant as one of the top 10 Black-owned Canadian restaurants to try in 2024.
Yeah.
That's a huge accomplishment.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, so how you feel about that?
We feel really, I could say, welcome and humble, and we thank the Food Network for coming in and try our food and try our hospitality, and that's translated to a customer that base, and by seeing Google review also as well that we have, and that's giving us a little bit more energy to keep on working and to keep on striving and to keep on doing what we do best, not only to showcase our community, but also as well to showcase our whole culture, right? Our whole Caribbean culture, or African culture that we have, because which is so vast, and there's so many things that we haven't seen yet. So if you haven't been at Boukan, please make your way here. Give us a call, make a reservation. If you guys are coming in town, please put this into all your list to come and try and come experience the taste of Haiti. Okay, so Haitian fusion. Thank you guys so much.
How does your space stand out from the rest?
Okay, so what would I say about that? As we are a Haitian fusion place, and where we bring different society, different community, and from that point, as a Black Caribbean restaurant, we welcome everyone. Right? We welcome the Chinese, Jamaican, the Trinidadian, the Bajan, the Haitians. And there's no order for me. After I'd go and try to see what's happening out there, I don't know, maybe there is. If there is, I would love to know that. There's no other place that we have as a Black restaurant where we have like salsa, where we have kizomba, where we have Afro Creole, where we play Afro beats, souk and comba, where you have pet and sip night, when you have Sengo Mengo, where Black people get together and try to meet each other, where you have drumming and on Saturday, where you have different people from background playing the drumming, playing the cha-cha, dancing, bringing all the beautiful vibes. So, and by locating on the Danforth 774 Danforth Avenue, we make a strategic move to make sure that we could accommodate both sides of the island. So the west side, it's closer, the east side is closer to you, and being in the middle of the Danforth like that, it bring everybody together. And by saying that, we felt that we are the number one place for all people from different community to come in and feel yourself, because as you can see we're having a nice conversation. We're just being ourselves. I mean, it's not like a place that you have to go and just like, no. The place that you come in and get some energy back, because what's happening out there, the world is going crazy, and we're not a typical restaurant.
Yeah.
I mean, we are in a restaurant that bring in experience, a different vibe, a different environment. I mean, and we're not only a Haitian restaurant, we are Haitian fusion here, as our chefs down there, as a cook down there. So we have different background working with us here. I mean, so that's what we are. We bring the whole community together here. So it's amazing.
And that lead to the next question I want to ask is, what inspired you to open this business?
What inspired me personally, not only this restaurant opened in 2019, not by me personally. There was three of us.
Okay.
There was Mark Lissad, which was a chef. He's still a chef from Black Apron. And one of my best friend, his name is Amir Senet. But over COVID time, I think these things take a hold on all of them, and they had to go and do whatever they do best.
Yes.
And that's letting me with the restaurant by myself, right?
Okay.
And by having it by myself, thank God I have a great staff behind me. I have great people working in the background, and I have you personally, because like by you coming in here, you bring in the support, and because you see something else that you wanted to bring, and you wanted to make sure that the whole world knows what's happening, and I'm going to thank you also as well by doing that, and by saying that we wanted to have that, what I just said that to you earlier. We wanted to have a space where everybody can come in and feel yourself. And taste certain things that they never had before, and dance certain things that they never do before, and have normal conversation that they never had before, in any place that they never been. So that was what that inspired all of us to have that, to have a community base where everyone from every background can come in and feel yourself and enjoy, and also as well make it yourself too, because the space is open for everyone to come in and celebrating the birthday, the wedding anniversary, whatever that may be, because like we're not only a restaurant, right? We are more than a restaurant. We are catering business. We are in event space type of business also as well. So that's what we bring, and that's what inspired us to open this place here.
Okay, nice. And what's your most popular dish you guys have down here?
Most popular, because you have to talk to so many different people, because everyone have a special dish.
Yes.
Me personally, I will say to you, my special dish will be the legume. The legume is a mix of a chocho, spinach, eggplants, cabbage mixed together. You could put different type of meat inside of it and have it with white rice or sauce pois, or have it also as well with the mushroom rice, which is the mushroom that only grows in Haiti, that we do here, which is called the black rice. And you could go to the basic. The basic is simple, which is the rice and peas with griot. Griot is pork, right? And that's the normal dish. And you have that with a little bit of salad, russe, which is the beet salad, well made and really great. So yeah, so it's a matter of who you ask also.
And the next thing I want to ask, you have a unique name, Boukan. What's the meaning of Boukan?
The meaning of Boukan itself came from back in the days, from an ancestors' time, where that's what they used, where they were escaping the masters, I'll say, and they will go and hide into the mountain. So they use that not only to, it's a fire pit, right? So that's why it's a big fire. Not only they use that to cook their meal, but also as well they use that also as well to communicate around, to get together, to plan what they have to do next. That's what bringing our revolution in 1804. So and there's a big name on our history called his name is Boukan, right? So if you take just one letter out, right, the M and the man, you bring them together, is Boukan. Right? So but there's so many, but it's togetherness, it's joyfulness. Being yourself and communicate and get your energy back. So yeah.
Nice. Appreciate it.
No, I appreciate you.
Yes.
And I want everybody to start following your YouTube page.
Yes.
Because what you bring out there, you're bringing something different. As we are Boukan, we wanted to bring also as well.
Yes.
Is to be there to grow from within, and also as well to help develop and to help people know about all the smaller restaurant that is out there, and all the tasting that's happening out there. So thanks to you for coming, and thanks to the whole family that was there tasting the food. Okay, guys?
Yes.
I welcome you.
I appreciate it.
For sure.
All right, thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Daniel, so what do you think about the restaurant?
It was good. I would give it like a 9.5 out of 10. I like the take of Haitian infused food. It was something different. Never got to really try that in the GTA area. I'll definitely come back.
Okay, what do you say, Denise?
It was good. I really like the beignets. And I like the Haitian fusion as well. So yeah, 9 out of 10. It was really good. I'll give the restaurant a 9.5 out of 10. The customer service, the atmosphere, everybody, the food was amazing.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the restaurant, Shade?
The restaurant is very good. I must say the customer service is A1.
Nice.
Is A1. The owner, he's super nice, and his level of customer service is A1. The food, I would give the food a 9.5 out of 10.
Yes.
Which is good because it's my first time trying Haitian food. But it's a must try, guys.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So the food was A1, as you would say. The customer service, excellent. Understand? So for all who's watching, if you haven't subscribed, please go out there and subscribe and tell a friend to go and subscribe. As we say, we bring in yard abroad. Thanks for watching. One love.